everyone, and welcome to Creating with Ms Kaye. Today I am participating in a collaboration. The title is All Things Decor Tabletop Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Debby Bubbles, Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest host is Angie Fortson exclusive. There are several other co-hosts who I will be recognizing throughout this video. For this video, I wanted to take you where I spend most of my hours throughout my day, and that's my job. We had our very first Grandparents' Day program. I was given the task to decorate one of the classrooms, so you'll see computers and monitors all over. So we started off with these folding tables that I decided to do with this sage green along with gray chair covers. I'm covering the table with this purple. Notice that this cloth is not iron. I wanted to give it more of a like crinkled look, so I purposely balled it up. And here is one of my containers filled with all of my pumpkins, and another container with leaves. I wanted to give it more of a fall look, but yet, I wanted to have some bling. So here are my gold candle holders from Z Gallery that I just placed down the center of this table. This purple and green, it flows so nicely together. I think the grandparents are going to be pleased. Here are some of my larger pumpkins that I just kind of placed around, and we're just going to keep working to see how it goes. As promised, here are some of the co-hosts for today's collaboration. You have Decorating with Jazigreen, Deborah Cabassa, Home Living Design with Emma, and Sandylynns Home and Garden. As you continue to watch this video, notice how I'm just placing just items from the Dollar Tree that I've had throughout the years. Some of these were only $1 back in the day, but now they're $1.25. But some of them are DIY. Just items that I've had at home. Leaves, pumpkins, just picks, everything just to kind of tie everything in together. Just continue to watch because we have a part 2. They asked me to also go ahead and do the pastry table. So just keep watching, enjoying, and let's go on and let's go ahead and recognize the others that are participating today. You have myself, Creating with Ms Kaye, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, and last but not least, Vondessa J. Make sure you go by each participant's channel and watch their videos all the way to the end. Give them a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to their channels, please go ahead and subscribe. Share it with a friend and encourage them. This is how we get to grow our channels, by having more subscribers. Also, if you are not already a subscriber of my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I hope that you will go back and watch some of the videos that maybe you've missed on my channel. This week we also did a celebration for Debby Bubbles and her birthday. So if you haven't watched that video, please make sure you go by. I just want to thank everyone for supporting me. I know I don't always put videos out like I used to, but as you see, I have things that I've been doing at work. Here is that pastry table with the fruit, and this is something that was more last minute. I didn't find out that I really needed to decorate this table until the morning of. So these leaves and pumpkins are more items that I kind of had left over. So I still think everything turned out wonderful. It's good to be given a task and you can complete it and still be proud of the work that you do. We are entering into the fall season, so you can be looking forward to me putting out a few fall videos. and maybe a few DIY videos as we approach the end of this. I pray that each of you have a wonderful afternoon. And because this is Grandparents' Day and I know that it's late, happy Grandparents' Day to all of you grandparents. This is for you and me as well. Thank you again for watching, and you have a blessed day. See you soon.